In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make an architecture interior design website using WordPress and Elementor step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This method is perfect for architects, interior designers, or creative studios who want a clean, modern, and professional website without hiring a developer or writing any code. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional architecture interior design website that you can easily customize with your own images, text, and contact details. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress and Elementor tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage your entire website. From here, you'll be able to install themes, plugins, and customize your site. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Appearance, then select Themes. This is where we're going to install a lightweight and powerful theme that works perfectly with Elementor. On the Themes page, click Add New, and in the search bar, type Astra. Astra is one of the best WordPress themes for architecture and interior design websites because it's fast, flexible, and fully compatible with Elementor. Click Install, and once it finishes installing, click Activate. Now that the Astra theme is active, the next step is to install the required plugins. Go to Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type Elementor. Install and activate the Elementor plugin. This is the visual page builder we'll use to customize the website without coding. After that, search for Starter Templates. This plugin allows you to import professionally designed website templates with just one click. Install and activate Starter Templates as well. Once both plugins are active, go back to Appearance and click on Starter Templates. You'll be guided through a setup process. When asked to choose a page builder, select Elementor. This ensures the templates load correctly and are easy to customize. In the search bar, type Architecture Interior, and you'll see a variety of professionally designed templates made specifically for architecture and interior design websites. Browse through the options and choose a template that matches your style and brand. When prompted, choose the architecture category to narrow down the designs even further. After selecting your template, click Import Complete Site. This will automatically install all the pages, images, and layout for your website. Give it a moment to finish importing. Once it's done, visit your website's homepage to review the template. You should now see a fully designed architecture interior design website with sections like Home, About, Services, Portfolio, and Contact. Everything is already structured for you. Now it's time to customize the site with your own content. Go back to the WordPress dashboard, open any page, and click Edit with Elementor. Inside Elementor, you can click on any text to change it, replace images with your own project photos, update colors, and adjust layouts. Make sure to add your business name, contact information, email address, phone number, and portfolio details. Take your time to personalize the website so it reflects your brand and style. Once you're happy with the changes, click Update to save your work. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make an architecture interior design website using WordPress and Elementor. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.